In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Google Docs table. If you have text inside a table in Google Docs and you want it to look cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read, centering the text is a quick and simple way to do that. This is especially useful for headings, labels, short entries, or any content you want to present neatly inside table cells. To begin, go to your Google Doc and open the document that contains the table you want to edit. Once you're in the document, scroll to the table and find the specific text you want to center align. Make sure you're working in the correct cell or section before making any formatting changes. Next, click directly on the text inside the table and highlight it. This step is important because Google Docs needs to know exactly which text you want to format. If you only want to center one word, one cell, or a specific part of the table, be precise when selecting it. If you want to apply the same formatting to more than one area, you can also highlight multiple pieces of text as needed. After your text is selected, move your attention to the formatting row at the top of the screen. This is the toolbar where you'll find common text formatting options like font size, bold, line spacing, and alignment tools. In that top formatting row, click on the Align and Indent icon. This opens the alignment options for the text you currently have highlighted. Once the alignment menu is available, click on the second lines icon from the left. This is the center align option. As soon as you click it, the selected text in your table will shift into the center position horizontally within the cell. And that's it. Your text is now center aligned in the Google Docs table. If the formatting doesn't seem to change right away, just double check that the text was actually highlighted before you selected the alignment option. That's one of the most common reasons the change may not apply. Also, keep in mind that this method centers the text horizontally. If you're trying to adjust vertical placement inside the cell, that would involve different table formatting settings. This is a simple formatting trick, but it can make your tables look much more polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.